Hi, food lovers. Welcome back to today. We're diving into a delectable Chinese dish that's both rich in flavor and history. Fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk. This dish might sound simple, but it's packed with intriguing facts and cultural significance. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets behind this exquisite delicacy. Fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk is a classic in Chinese cuisine, particularly popular in coastal regions like Guangdong and Fujian. Its origins can be traced back to traditional Chinese banquets, where salted egg yolk was prized for its rich, umami flavor. The star of this dish is, of course, the salted egg yolk. Made by preserving duck eggs in brine or packing them in damp, salted charcoal, the yolks develop a savory, grainy texture that's unlike anything else. Combined with tender baby shrimp, it creates a symphony of textures and flavors. Salted eggs have been a part of Chinese culinary history for over 1,000 years, dating back to the Song dynasty. They were originally used as a method of preserving food before refrigeration, but their unique taste soon made them a beloved ingredient in various dishes. While fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk is undoubtedly a treat for the taste buds, it also has some nutritional benefits. Shrimp are a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Meanwhile, the salted egg yolk adds a dose of essential vitamins and minerals. The process of making this dish involves several meticulous steps. The baby shrimp are lightly coated in flour or cornstarch and then deep fried until crispy. The salted egg yolks are steamed, mashed, and sautéed with aromatics like garlic and chili until they form a creamy sauce that coats each piece of shrimp. Different regions in China put their own spin on this dish. In some areas, chefs add curry leaves for an extra layer of flavor, while others might include finely chopped green onions or red chilies to enhance the dish's visual appeal and spice level. In recent years, fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk has gained popularity in Chinese restaurants worldwide, often featured as a premium item on the menu. Its unique flavor profile has even inspired modern fusion dishes, incorporating salted egg yolk into pastas, burgers, and more. Did you know that salted egg yolk has also become a popular snack ingredient in its own right? From salted egg yolk chips to mooncakes filled with this savory delight, its versatility continues to surprise and delight food enthusiasts. Now, let's get into the kitchen and see how fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk is made. We'll walk you through each step, from preparing the shrimp to creating that luscious salted egg yolk sauce. Ready to cook along? First, we'll start with our baby shrimp. Lightly coat them in cornstarch for that perfect crispy texture. Next, we'll deep fry the shrimp until golden brown. In a separate pan, we'll sauté our mashed salted egg yolks with garlic and chili, then toss in the fried shrimp until they're well coated. For a perfect presentation, serve the fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk on a platter, garnished with finely chopped green onions and red chili slices. This not only adds a pop of color but also enhances the overall flavor. To complement this rich and savory dish, Pair it with steamed jasmine rice or a simple stir-fried vegetable medley. A light, crisp white wine or a refreshing iced tea also works beautifully to balance the flavors. Another fun fact: in some Chinese cultures, salted egg yolk is considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity. This makes dishes featuring this ingredient particularly popular during festive celebrations and special occasions. And there you have it, folks. Fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk. A dish that's rich in history, flavor, and cultural significance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to try something new, this dish is sure to impress. The method of salting eggs to preserve them dates back to ancient China, where it was essential for keeping food edible without modern refrigeration. Salted eggs were not only a way to extend shelf life but also to add a unique depth of flavor to dishes. The unique flavor of salted egg yolk comes from the fermentation process. This process enhances the umami and creates a rich, savory taste that pairs perfectly with the delicate flavor of baby shrimp, making the dish incredibly addictive. Culinary innovation with salted egg yolk has led to the creation of numerous contemporary dishes and snacks. For example, salted egg yolk flavored ice cream and croissants have become trendy in various parts of Asia, showcasing the versatility of this traditional ingredient. Salted eggs are not just tasty but also nutritious. They are high in protein and provide essential fats, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin B12, selenium, and riboflavin. However, due to their high sodium content, they should be enjoyed in moderation. In Chinese culture, salted egg yolk is often associated with Mid-Autumn Festival, where it is used as a filling for mooncakes. These mooncakes symbolize reunion and completeness, further highlighting the cultural significance of salted eggs. The popularity of salted egg yolk has spread beyond China, becoming a culinary phenomenon in Southeast Asian countries like Singapore and Malaysia. In these regions, you'll find salted egg yolk dishes ranging from fried chicken to pasta, demonstrating its global appeal. The fusion of salted egg yolk into various cuisines has led to exciting new culinary creations. Chefs around the world are experimenting with this ingredient, incorporating it into everything from Western dishes like burgers to Japanese-inspired sushi rolls. The process of making the perfect salted egg yolk sauce requires precision. The yolks are steamed or boiled until they reach the right consistency, then mashed and cooked with butter or oil to create a smooth, creamy sauce that clings beautifully to the fried shrimp. Historical records suggest that recipes involving salted egg yolk have been refined over centuries. Ancient Chinese cookbooks often included variations of salted egg dishes, showcasing the enduring popularity and adaptability of this ingredient in Chinese gastronomy. Salted egg yolk is also a beloved ingredient in dim sum cuisine. You'll find it in various dim sum items like custard buns, where the yolk's richness adds an indulgent, creamy center that's a hit among diners. In contemporary Chinese cuisine, salted egg yolk has transitioned from a humble preservation method to a gourmet ingredient. High-end restaurants often feature it in innovative dishes, elevating its status in the culinary world. In many Chinese cities, street food vendors serve fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk as a quick and tasty snack. It's a popular choice among locals and tourists alike, offering a delicious taste of traditional Chinese flavors. Making salted eggs at home is a time-honored tradition in many Chinese households. The process is simple yet rewarding, allowing families to enjoy this savory delicacy in various dishes beyond just fried baby shrimp with salted egg yolk. The influence of salted egg yolk on modern cuisine is undeniable. Its unique flavor has inspired chefs globally to incorporate it into creative recipes, contributing to the ongoing evolution of both traditional and contemporary culinary arts. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your flavorful journey through Chinese cuisine.